In this video, we are going to tell you the important news for the month of January about cryptocurrencies, as well as give you some investment tips so that you do not have problems when trading. We are sure that with these tips, you will be able to make the most of cryptocurrency investment opportunities to obtain good results. Let's get started. APTOS slips into the most traded currencies in January. BTC miner earnings grew nearly 50% so far in 2023. Know the secrets of investing without risks and get incredible results. APTOS slips into the most traded currencies in January. APTOS has crept into the top 6 most traded cryptocurrencies in January, according to the latest data from CoinMarketCap. And it has achieved it with $84.578 million in transactions. This puts us above the competition, beating out rivals like XRP, Shiba Inu, and Solana. And what about profitability? Well, that is something to be proud of. APTOS has achieved a growth of 380% in the last 30 days, which has led the coin to be among the 30 with the largest market capitalization. It is ranked number 26. There you have it, South Africa. With these numbers, it is impossible not to feel proud. APTOS has proven to be a coin that can be trusted and has become something to be reckoned with. And it looks like it's not going to stop here. And what about its price? It is around $17 with a supply of more than 160 million tokens. A real achievement for APT holders. And the bad news. If you are one of the bearish traders, you will have been left with your mouth open, seeing days with 24 million in liquidations as the price rose. There is no way back. BTC miner earnings grew nearly 50% so far in 2023. Bitcoin, BTC miners are getting the most out of the coin. His earnings grew an incredible 48% in the last month, reaching $23.8 million per day. It is a pride for the miners of South Africa. The Bitcoin price has directly influenced the profits of the miners. At the beginning of the year, the price was around $16,500, but at the time of publication it is close to $23,000. And it is that on January 15 the hash price, an indicator that indicates the price of the mining hash, reached $77 ph/day. These levels had not been reached since the first days of November 2022, just before the market faced the crash of the FTX exchange. South African miners are making the most of this period. It's time to celebrate your accomplishments. But before continuing, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video so it reaches more people. Know the secrets of investing without risks and get incredible results. Investing in cryptocurrency does not have to be a path to ruin. If you are thinking of investing in the cryptocurrency market, you must first know the fundamental steps to invest safely. First, you must register in Remitano. We will drop a link in the description. Once you are registered, you can choose between the currencies that most attract your attention. But before investing, it is important that you inform yourself and stay abreast of market events. The cryptocurrency market changes and grows rapidly, so it is advisable to read daily about the latest updates. Also, consider looking at projects with the highest market capitalization, an important metric to decide which projects to invest in. To guide you, we will show you a list of 5 large-cap projects. Bitcoin, it was the first cryptocurrency to be created and maintains the largest market capitalization with $459,660,554,594. Ethereum, focused on the development of technology, it has been the second currency with the highest capitalization for years with $205,154,180,153. BNB, this currency belongs to Binance, the exchange with the highest volume of daily operations in the world and capitalizes $51,953,183,681. XRP, created by Ripple, one of the companies in the cryptocurrency ecosystem and reaches a capitalization of $21,030,654,965. Cardano, free-floating token created in 2017 by an Ethereum co-founder. It reaches a capitalization of $13,940,907,965. After getting to know the market better, you will surely have some favorite options. When you have selected the currencies in which you will invest, it is convenient to remember this. Do not invest more than you can lose. Use funds that you do not need in the short or long term. It must be money you can lose. Look for investments in the medium or long term. Less volatile currencies with more solid trajectories will be your best allies. Diversify your investment portfolio and select several currencies in which to invest. If one fails, you'll have more options. Protect your investments and keep your online security as high as possible. Watch your passwords and use two-step verifications, in addition to using pages with high levels of trust. Cryptocurrencies offer a very high level of security, especially compared to the traditional financial market. This, together with the global nature of these assets, means that they do not need intermediaries. Blockchain technology, the foundation of the cryptocurrency market, is offering solutions to many of the problems of traditional financial systems, making it a great option for investors. What do you think of these tips? Leave us a like and let us know in the comment box if you know of any other tips for trading. With nothing more to add, we say goodbye, recommending that you follow us on our social networks and start trading quickly, easily, and safely with Remitano.